How to know something is wrong with your orthopedic health. Orthopedic problems aren't always as evident at the early stage until they get to the critical phase where treatment gets even more challenging and the condition becomes chronic. This is why it's essential to keep an eye on your orthopedic health and take prompt action in case if you notice any bone or joint-related issues. Of course, there are some very basic early signs that are easy to overlook or shrug off. But that's a mistake. To help you steer clear of that mistake, here are 3 ways you can know if something is wrong with your orthopedic health. 1. You have doubts. More often than not, when something is wrong with your orthopedic health, you would intuitively know about it. This would usually result in you doubting if everything is okay or not. You would even search online to identify signs and symptoms. So, if you have one such doubt, if you suspect something is wrong, there's no other way around but to approach the best orthopedic doctor and get checked. Instead of hoping that everything is fine, it's ideal to confirm that. And that would require you to visit a doctor for a diagnosis. This is a simple and straightforward sign that everything might not be fine with your orthopedic health. Because you're already doubting it for one reason or another. 2. There's pain. Many people overlook their pain. And that's a mistake. Even if it's mild pain and you're okay with it, you should still take notice of it, especially if the pain is recurring. The underlying reason behind that pain could be more serious. So, whether it's your back, shoulder or knee, irrespective of which part of your body is in pain, and regardless of the severity of the pain, it's a clear indication that your orthopedic health isn't in the right condition as you would want it to be. 3. Curbed flexibility. Your joints aren't as flexible as they once were. When you fold your knees, you can't do it without some discomfort. Similarly, you can't bend properly without feeling pain or irritation in your knees and hip. Getting up from a sitting stance is a challenge as well. As one ages, their agility and flexibility reduce. If you find limitations in your flexibility and movement, that's another sign that your orthopedic health isn't in tip-top condition. The moment you identify something is wrong with your bones and joints, it's essential to approach the best orthopedic doctor for diagnosis and treatment. If the problem is anything specific like ligament tear, visit a specialist like a ligament specialist doctor in Kolkata. If there's indeed something wrong, the sooner the treatment starts, the better. Delaying can worsen the condition, rendering treatment less effective and more expensive. So, acting promptly is critical.